Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily buy Ampleforth governance token. So this is super easy. The first thing you want to do, go to the link in the description down below where it says get started on Coinbase here with a $10 Bitcoin bonus. So when you hit the link it says you were invited to try Coinbase, and the reason why I recommend you Coinbase because it's the largest crypto company in the world. It has a lot of customers, it's very beginner friendly, and I use it myself as well. And if you sign up to the link in the description, you get $10 of free Bitcoin. Okay, and if you signed up, you'll be on a page like this. This is the homepage of Coinbase, and as you can see straight away, it looks very clean and it has a very plain looking. So what you want to do to invest in the Ampleforth governance token from here, go to the top right where it says buy/sell. It's the big blue button. Once we hit it, this comes up and we can buy stocks or assets in cryptocurrency, on Coinbase. So go ahead and change this and scroll all the way down, and under at the last one is Ampleforth governance token. So here we can buy it and we can enter in the amount and then preview buy just from my Euro wallet. So I don't have enough balance, but first you have to deposit your money, and once you bought and once you have enough money on your balance, you can buy it and it will be directly deposited into your Coinbase account straight away within seconds. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.